Hey there, we're excited to introduce Chatty, a new open source AI chat app that leverages WebGPU to run large language models locally and privately on your hardware in the browser. That means you can chat with cutting edge AI models, all without data leaving your device. Chatty also provides seamless offline access, allowing you to continue your conversations even when you're not connected to the internet. Chatty goes beyond basic conversation. With its built-in file embedding capabilities, you can upload non-binary files, including PDFs and code, and ask the AI insightful questions about its content. And with Chatty's customizable memory feature, you can personalize your experience by providing the AI with additional information about yourself or your preferences. This allows the AI to understand you better and provide more tailored responses. With its intuitive UI and a suite of features like voice input support, the ability to regenerate responses, and a light and dark mode, Chatty delivers a seamless and familiar experience. We're actively developing Chatty and hope you'll join us on this journey by checking it out today. Thank you for watching.